Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you how I enhance the nose on my edits. So let's get started. First we are going to add a layer and set it on multiply blending mode and pick the medium or darkest shade on your avatar skin. Don't forget to turn on force fade and just draw two curved lines like so, and a little bit on inside. Blur it to blend it. I will be using my shading brush for this whole process. Now we're going to draw a deeper, darker shade on the outside and blur it to blend it. And now we're just going to outline the nose. You can leave it as it is, but in my case, I'm going to blur it a little bit because I like to go for the more smoother look. I would add another new layer and set it on multiply blending mode, and then just sort of shade the outer part of the nose. Erase the excess off. And then use the blur tool to blend the insides. And it's too dark, so I'm going to lower the opacity a bit. I would add a new layer, set it on multiply blending mode, and then draw the lines on the nose. It's like, so it makes the nose looks more 3D instead of 2D-ish, I think. Then I would draw another thin dark line to connect the top part with the line thing that I drew just now. And then I would use the blur tool and blur the the inside of the upper part. I don't know how to explain this, so you can see what I'm doing on the screen because I don't really know how to explain. Some part seems a bit off, so I'm using this special tool and using the liquify pen to sort of make it look as I want it to, and just adjust a few things. From here onwards, I will be adjusting and fixing some things that I missed out on or that I want to change a little bit. So I am done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a pleasant day.